think today is the first Thanksgiving that I've had off in 3 years.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Hi everyone. Before I get into today's video, I don't know if you all saw on Instagram, but I recently was in a car accident and I just wanted to let you all know that I am okay. There were no major injuries, and thank you to all of you who did reach out to me to make sure that I was okay. I really do appreciate it. Luckily, Eric was not in the car and Luna wasn't either. As you can tell, she is doing just fine. While watching this video, obviously you will see my old car. This was filmed before the accident, but now I am in a rental car, which you guys will see in the future. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So let's get into this Thanksgiving vlog. Don't be like me. Don't wait until it is the Monday before Thanksgiving to go shopping. Let me show you real quick everything that I got. We have mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, frozen strawberries, whole milk, butter, cheesecake, sparkling apple cider, chicken sausage, these chocolate fudge lava cakes. We needed some new bowls, so we got that. Steak, bacon, and my egg bites. We obviously got some normal groceries too, but Costco was unfortunately sold out of turkeys. So now I need to head to the grocery store and hopefully find one. It is now the day before Thanksgiving. Is my house clean? No. Am I ready? No. Do I have any food prepared? No. Are any of you like me where you wait till the last minute to like get everything ready for the holidays? I can't believe that I am like this far behind. I'm trying not to stress, but I literally have like no idea what I'm doing. The grocery store was absolutely packed the other night when I went, but let me quickly show you guys a clip of everything that I got. And this is my grocery store haul. My sister's vegetarian, so I wanted to make sure we got a lot of good vegetables for her. So we have asparagus, Brussels sprouts, carrots, celery, sweet potatoes to make a sweet potato casserole. So I have mini marshmallows right there, some corn, strawberries, and then instead of a whole turkey, I just got us this oven roasted turkey breast. Boar's Head is one of my favorite brands. Since it's just Eric and I eating the turkey this year, I figured that will be enough for us. Some tomatoes. Eric loves this cranberry sauce, so we got that. Pie crust, corn muffin mix, orange juice, bananas, and yeah, that's all the stuff that I got. My mom sent me this big turkey roaster, so I'm going to try to unbox this and figure out how to use it. My sister is coming into town. Her flight lands tomorrow afternoon, so the rest of today I'm just going to clean and get everything ready to go for tomorrow. But real quick, I did want to show you guys the new camera that I bought. I was definitely in need of an upgrade, so I purchased a new Sony vlogging camera. I've already played around with it a little bit and I absolutely love it. It also comes with this little microphone thing. As you can see, the back has a really large flip out screen. The screen actually opens sideways instead of on top like my Canon. This camera does shoot in 4K, so I will probably try that. I've already noticed that the autofocus is so much better than my Canon. After this clip, the rest of this vlog will be filmed with my new Sony camera. Good morning, everyone, and happy Thanksgiving. I think today is the first Thanksgiving that I've had off in 3 years. Starting my Thanksgiving morning off just by hanging out outside with Miss Luna. Luna, what are you thankful for this year? Are you thankful for your Frisbee? Before I start cooking an insane amount of food, I do want to take a minute to just express my gratitude for all of the amazing things that I do have in my life. I try really hard, not just today, but every day, to live my life from a place of gratitude and love and positivity. And I know this year has been really hard for a lot of people, so I really hope that during this holiday season you can find joy and love and laughter. I promise I'll try to keep this quick. But a few of the things that I am the most thankful for this year, number one, absolutely, would be my health. I think especially during this pandemic, all of us have learned that our health is not something to be taken for granted. And I am very grateful that me, Eric, my parents, my sister, and his side of the family, all of our loved ones have remained healthy, knock on wood, during this pandemic. I am very grateful to have a beautiful home to live in and a roof over my head. I am so very thankful that I have a fridge full of food. There are a lot of people in this world who don't know where their next meal is coming from, and I do not take it for granted all of the little things that I have, like a fridge full of food to cook for my family. Due to the pandemic and travel restrictions and my parents' work, unfortunately they are not able to come here for Thanksgiving this year. However, my sister is, and I am very thankful for the technology that we have where we can still virtually be together even if we can't physically be together this holiday season.
Are you taking a picture of us?
I'm taking a video for YouTube. Say hi.
Oh, hello. Are we gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah, these are my grandparents.
Oh my God, I knew I would have done my nose hairs if I would have known that.
I am also today and every day so thankful for Eric and Luna and the wonderful loving family that we have built together here in Texas. Last but certainly not least, I am so thankful for all of you here in my YouTube family, our online community that we have built. I don't even have words for how grateful I am for all of you. With all of that said, let's get cooking. For this turkey specifically, it says to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, record the weight. Oh, so I need to go weigh the turkey. And then based off of how much it weighs, that's how long you cook it for. This turkey weighs a whopping, the scale's not even gonna turn on. The scale is not registering the turkey. However, I did weigh myself this morning. So I'm just going to pick up the turkey, weigh myself, and see if there's a change in weight while I'm holding it. Yep, about 3 pounds. So this is about a 3-pound turkey breast. I just changed out of my sweats. This is my Thanksgiving outfit this year. It's only noon right now. We're not eating until 6 p.m. tonight, so I am about to run to the pet supermarket to pick up Luna a special holiday meal. I just got to the pet supermarket and they are closed on Thanksgiving Day, which is totally fine. We're gonna try 3 Dog Bakery next, and if they're closed, we will then try Petco. 3 Dog Bakery, closed. Don't be like me. Don't wait until Thanksgiving Day to do anything. Petco is also closed. All right, I'm about to head into the Tom Thumb. If they don't have any canned dog food, Luna's just gonna have to miss out this year. Okay, yes, they have canned dog food. All right, Miss Luna, I hope that you like this food that I ran around town to get you. Now that that's done, my sister Alicia's flight lands in about 10 minutes, so let's head to the airport and pick her up. There she is! I just picked up my sister from the airport, and before we go back home and start cooking everything, we're taking Luna on a walk to her favorite park.
Set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
We are streaming the Thanksgiving Day Parade through YouTube. Now it is time to actually start cooking Thanksgiving dinner, or else this dinner will not be ready on time.
Set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile.
Luna is watching you like a hawk. Luna likes jumping up on you, huh? Hi, Luna. You trying to dance? Hi. We are almost done cooking all of the food. Right now, Eric is making our roasted Brussels sprouts, and we are following a recipe from his sister's blog. It's called The Bonus Space, and it is so good. I will make sure to put a link to it in the description box below.
You do. My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
Good morning, everyone. Last night dinner was fabulous, and I think what I loved the most about it was a combined effort. Both Eric, me, and my sister Alicia all cooked the dinner together. It was so much fun. We ate so much good food that we didn't even have room for dessert. Eric and I bought these desserts and we were so excited to eat them on Thanksgiving night, but we were so full that none of us wanted them. So I think we're going to have that tonight. But right now, my sister and I are going to head out shopping to go get our Christmas tree and some more decorations for the day. Luna had a good Thanksgiving too. Hi. It's now in the camera. I realize I need to get a better mirror to show you guys my outfits, but this is what I am wearing today, and Eric told me that I needed a scarf to make the outfit complete, and he said this is the Euro way. This is the way that Europeans wear their scarves. So if you are European, let me know if that is true. My sister Alicia has the cutest Grinch shirt. I want it. This is exciting and kind of nerve-wracking. I'm picking out my very first real Christmas tree this year. This is the little tree that I picked out. It's a Douglas fir. Okay, it's a Douglas fir. I think it's about 6 feet tall, and they're gonna trim it right now, and then we'll get to bring it home. We got it all to fit in the trunk of my little Ford Fiesta. Thank you. Eric put up the tree for us. It is a little crooked right now, the way it's leaning, but I think it's still cute. We just got back from Target and got even more Christmas decorations, including a sweater for Luna. This is the sweater that we got for Luna. It says fa la la on it. One top. Go through here. Oh, you all cute, Luna? Yeah. Hi. This is the dessert that we were supposed to eat last night, but we were all way too full. It is a cheesecake from Costco, and then we just sliced up some strawberries to go along with it. It looks delicious. Look how extra Eric is.
Cheesecake?
He made the cheesecake beautiful.